Oh, meron na siyang 3 roots, guys. Saan ba yung atin dyan? Saan yung kay Sir Jojo? Ayan.
Ito yung atin, ito.
Oh, tapos
Ito yung
kay Sir Jojo. Okay. So, ayun, malinaw. This will be our WARSZEWICZII. Ito yung iiwan sa amin. Aside from the mother plant, ha, we are aiming to have more of this. Okay, ayan. Sobrang mabilis siyang tumubo, guys. Sabi ko na nga ba, kaya malalaki yung traces niya dun sa ibabaw. Ang lalaki. Oh my gosh, ang lalaki nila. Ayan. Tsaka meron pang isa. Ay, nagkapamilya pala sila dito. Oh my God. Hey guys! Welcome back to another PLANTZILLA video. And for today's vlog, we will be propagating our Philodendron WARSZEWICZII for the second time. Na-propagate na namin yung mother plant months ago. But ngayon, ready na for propagation yung mga sumunod na shoots. And I'm so excited to do that. Kaso, iba-barter namin siya dun sa radicants na nakuha namin months ago din. And if you are interested, just keep watching. But before that, please do not forget to subscribe and tap the bell button so you'll be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. And if you are ready, let's begin. Hello guys, this is our Philodendron WARSZEWICZII, and we're trying to propagate this yesterday. It's just that nakulangan kami ng oras kasi may ginawa kaming iba. And I had to edit the first video, which is about our Philodendron Black Majesty. You can check it out. Na-upload ko po siya kahapon. So, medyo hapon na nung matapos or medyo magdidilim na. Kaya we had to postpone the video and then ngayon na namin siya gagawin. So, ito siya. What I love most about this Philodendron is that kitang-kita mo kung saan lumalabas yung roots niya and kung saan lumalabas yung dahon. So, ayan. And this is, by the way, yung pinagkuna ng first cut, yung top cut niya. And nabenta namin siya. So, ayan. Eto, meron na siyang dalawang bago with aerial roots na lumabas na and it's really ready for propagation. Any moment from now, we will cut this. We already prepared the potting mix and this is what we will use for today. For those of you who are new to our channel, we are using rice hulls, garden soil mixed with cow manure and cocoa peat. So ayan siya guys, this is a well-draining potting mix. This is our favorite media for our plants. So ayan, nilalagyan ng coconut fiber yung bottom ng pot to easily drain the excess water, and we are using temporary pots kasi nga yung isa dito ibibigay kay Sir Jojo. So, ayan, ihahatid namin to. And itong isa yung maiiwan sa amin. And we will be waiting again kung kailan na naman magpo-propagate. I-update ko na lang kayo sa progress ng propagation after this cut. This is, by the way, the Black Majesty that we repotted yesterday. And ipapakita ko yung isa. Ito naman yung isa, guys. So, ayan. This is really looking good in its new pot because size of the pot matches the size of the plant as well. So remember ha, nasabi ko na kahapon, you match the size of your pot to the size of the plant that you have. Anyway guys, this is the Anthurium radicans na kabarter, magiging kabarter ng WARSZEWICZII namin. Dati hindi pa siya gaanong okay. Ito lang yung dahon niya nung nakuha namin siya, and there was a budding leaf. Pero ngayon, eto na yung budding leaf niya. Hindi siya gaanong mabilis magkaroon ng bagong dahon, but it's gonna have its new leaf soon. So, ayan. And it's already stable. Healthy siya. So, ayan, tuwang-tuwa kami dito. And now, we are ready to give the WARSZEWICZII. Kasi ito din yung sabi ni Sir na gusto niyang kabarter ng radicans. And I'm looking forward to send it to him kasi gagawa siguro kami ng garden tour. He is, by the way, the owner of Papi. So, doon kami nakabili kay Papi sa kanya. And he has a lot of collections of plants, mapa-anthuriums, philodendrons, and others. So, ayan, marami po siyang plants and dadalhin namin kayo doon once we're finished or on a separate video na. Ito siya, ito si Papi. He is always on our vlogs as well, napapakita namin siya, and also on our stories on Facebook na ano namin siya na-upload. This is from Sir Jojo as well. And as you can see guys, tignan nyo yung potting mix ng WARSZEWICZI. Meron na din siyang mga poop ng earthworm, but hindi naman ganun kagrabe. So ayan siya, makikita natin ito. So ayan sila. Pero makikita mo na talaga na ito yung mga poop ng earthworm, and you would really notice na ayan sila, nagagather sila sa top ng potting mix natin. So ayan. We will be repotting it. Are we gonna uproot? Okay, so we will be uprooting the entire WARSZEWICZI to check the potting mix kung kailangan ba siyang palitan. So, ito yung mga aerial roots niya. Is trying to loosen the soil. Carefully lang. Slowly. Para hindi madisturbo yung mga roots niya. So, ayan. Especially those na dumikit. Meron kayang dumikit dito sa pot. We aren't sure about this. Parang magkadugtong pa yung roots ng dalawang shoot. So, ayan, tingnan nyo. Erase mo nga. So, ayan. But, of course, it has an end here. So, we are just gonna split them slowly. Kasi, ikakat naman natin sila separately, diba? For now, chine-check lang muna niya kung ilang roots ba meron yung tig-isa sa kanila. So, ayan, dahan-dahan lang bago i-uproot, guys, para walang maputol na ugat. Huhugasan yan para ma-define natin kung saan na-belong yung mga roots, guys. Kasi medyo marami din siyang roots. And medyo mahaba pa yung mother plant niya. So, meron pang tutubo in the future. So, and medyo matagal din kaming naghintay na magkaroon ng maraming roots to. Kasi parang dati pa to napupusuan ni Sir Jojo eh. And palagi siyang nagpa-follow up. Finally, ito, ikakat na natin siya. So, for now, hinuhugasan lang muna siya para makita natin yung mga roots. Kapag malinis na kasi, mabilis nating makikita kung ano yung mga roots na nabibilong, kung saan natin ikakat yung shoot, guys. Marami siyang mga new roots. And as what I have said, yung mga roots na mga bago, guys, most of them are in pale colors or yung mga white, medyo pinkish, yung mga ganon. However, yung mga brown, those are the old roots na meron siya. Sobrang ganda ng top cut dito, guys. I will insert the video as well. I will insert the link of the video para maklik nyo yung Philodendron WARSZEWICZI na first cut namin. So, yung top cut na nabenta namin, ipapakita ko yung video. And this is the second cut. I wasn't sure as well kung kailan yon. So, i-review ko pa mamaya kung ilang months from that time kami nakapag-propagate ng bago. And guys, ito nga pala yung cut kapag nilagyan ng cinnamon powder. As you can see, sobrang nag-heal siya. And nag-heal lang to, guys, within a week. So, as far as I remember, ganun yon. Sobrang dali niyang naka-recover. And I'm expecting that eto din yung mangyayari dito sa mga bago natin ngayon. So, it's gonna bounce back in just a week. Hoping, praying. So, for our very first cut, ilan yung roots niya?
Slow.
Oh, meron na siyang 3 roots, guys. Saan ba yung atin dyan? Saan yung kay Sir Jojo?
Ito yung atin, ito.
Oh, tapos
Ito yung ko sa
kay Sir Jojo. Okay. So, ayun, malinaw. This will be our WARSZEWICZI. Ito yung iiwan sa amin. Aside from the mother plant, ha, we are aiming to have more of this. Ayan, sobrang mabilis siyang tumubo, guys. Oh my God. So, this is our very first cut. Hindi tayo pwedeng gumamit ng pruning shear dito kasi itong root na to masyadong nakadikit sa stem niya. So, ayan, baka masugatan. So, we will just use yung knife, guys.
Yeah.
So, ayan, we are about to cut it. Tako, dahan-dahan, kawawa naman. Pero hindi naman masyadong matigas yung stem niya, guys. So, easy lang sa pag-cut sa kanya. Ayan. Ito yung kay Sir Jojo, guys. And, ayan. Ito naman yung mother plant na maiiwan. So, yun, sorry, nasugatan ka na naman. We'll just put some cinnamon powder para madali ding mag-heal yung cuts niya. So, dalawa pa naman yung cut niya today. Yan, focus. Camera focus. Bakit ay mag-focus ng camera? Hindi siya supportive. O, ayan. Yan yung cut niya. And the other one is right here. So, dyan muna sila nakalagay, guys. Dapat po patuyuin ng mabuti kasi yung, yung stem ng WARSZEWICZI, guys, medyo I do not know how to describe it, pero para siyang lumuluha. So, ayan, dapat talaga patuyuin ng mabuti before lagyan ng cinnamon powder para hindi naman masayang yung cinnamon powder na ilagay natin. So, it's really best if you would air dry it for a while before you apply the cinnamon powder doon sa cut niya. He changed his mind. We will be using Papi's pot for that WARSZEWICZII na may iwan sa amin. So, ayan, malaking pot na siya. Kasi super bilis po lumaki ng WARSZEWICZII. In no time, parang magiging papaya na siya. Mukha kasi siyang papaya, guys. Ayan, kailangan muna niyang i-wipe to ensure na wala na yung mga parang juice niya. Kasi medyo juicy talaga tong stem niya eh. So, ayan, lalagyan muna. Uy, naamoy.
Mabango.
Mabango. So, ayan, ready na siya for our cinnamon powder. Let's take a closer look kung, ayan, lumuluha pa ba yung stem niya. So, ayan, wala na. Okay, it's now time to apply the cinnamon powder. So, ayan guys, nilalagyan na ng cinnamon powder yung cut niya. Medyo nagbuo-buo na yung cinnamon powder. Ayan, dito naman sa isa. You add more cinnamon powder, nako. So, okay na yan guys. And then, we will plant it back. Wala pa bang palabas? Wala pang palabas na bago?
Wala.
Let's try to see. So, wala pa. Medyo hihintayin to ng mahaba-habang panahon. I just do not know when. Pero, yung mga itatanim na, sobrang bilis niya, guys. Once meron ng daho. And, medyo mahaba-haba pa yung stem na maiiwan, guys. So, pansin nyo ngayon, dun lumalabas yung dahon, or yung bagong dahon, or yung bagong stem dito sa internodes niya. And, sa nodes mismo, lumalabas yung roots. So, ayan. Ito talagang ikinaganda ng WARSZEWICZI eh. Kasi nakikita mo kung saan lumalabas yung mga ugat, kung saan lumalabas yung mga dahon. So, klarong-klaro yung mga nodes niya. So, ayan guys, we just have to plant it back here. Hindi na namin daw titingnan kung ano yung nasa loob. So, ayan guys, meron pala talaga siyang earthworm. So, baka kukunin na lang namin kasi nag-iiwan na siya ng mga traces. Baka dumami pa and maging problema. Sinasabi ko na nga ba kaya malalaki yung traces niya dun sa ibabaw. Ang lalaki. My gosh, ang lalaki nila. Ayan. Tsaka meron pang isa. Ay, nagkapamilya pala sila dito. Oh my God. So, ayun guys. Sobrang dami ng mga earthworms na nasa loob. And it's really a personal choice to remove them. Kasi nagkakaproblema ako kapag dumadami sila, sinisira yung soil. But for those of you na parang okay lang sa inyo na merong ganun, go on. Wala namang problema. As what I have said, it's really a personal choice na alisin sila. Hindi naman sila pinapataya, inaalis lang. So, ayan. He's putting it back. So, yung mother plant, itatanim lang din sa same pot with the same potting mix that she had before. So, ayun guys, tapos na siya. Iiwan na siya dito. And we'll move on to those two shoots na itatanim namin. Ito guys, so this is a medium-sized pot. And doon namin ilalagay yung WARSZEWICZI namin. Since sobrang bilis niyang tumubo. So, ayan. Dito siya ilalagay. Ilalagay muna ng konting potting mix sa bottom before natin itanim yung WARSZEWICZI. Tutuyuin lang yan ng konti and then lalagyan ulit ng cinnamon powder. So, ayan, ilalagyan na ng cinnamon powder yung cut niya. And then, itatanim na ulit siya dito sa pin-repair namin. Ilalagay nating soil sa kanya, guys, hanggang dyan sa pinakamaliit na root na meron siya sa ibabaw. So, hanggang dyan, kasi dapat i-cover talaga yung roots para meron siyang pagkunan ng nutrients. We are almost done and natabunan na yung root na meron siya, yung maliit na nandito sa ibabaw. So, ayan, yung isa na naman. So, for this one, guys, nalagyan na siya ng cinnamon powder and napatuyo na siya kanina. So, itatanim na namin siya ngayon. So, ayan, it's ready. And, lalagyan na yan ng potting mix. So, I'll get back to you pag nag-montage na tayo. That is pretty much it. Thank you so much for making it till the end of this video. It has been Maria, the voice of PLANTZILLA BHL. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button, tap the bell icon beside it so you will be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys!